They have it in French. We need one in English.
All right. What does this say?
So it's just basically saying the voltage that it has going in and amperage and everything. But it's also for safety purposes, so they know what they're dealing with.
Okay.
And they will know that, okay, this is a 208, which means it's a little bit higher than 120 volts, so it's considered high voltage. So that's why we got to put that label.
Like a role reversal going on here.
Yeah. Boom.
Yep.
Let's go.
There you go. Oh, sorry, I didn't get you.